Morning everyone, hope everyone's had a really awesome week so far. So the boat building news roundup for this week. So Marina operator Safe Harbor Marinas has acquired the Savannah Yacht Center, a super yacht storage, repair and refit facility on the US East Coast. So the modern yacht facility is expected to remain in operation as ownership changes hands, and its 50 employees will now work for Safe Harbor Marinas. And US-based yacht builder Berger Boat Company has announced that the superstructure for the first hull in the 54.86 metre Berger 180 Super Yacht series has been successfully installed. The two hulls are currently under construction at Berger's shipyard in Wisconsin, with the first expected to be completed in 2024. So the shipyard describes the Berger 180 motor yacht as designed for adventure and built for luxury, with mechanical features that are intended to make the cruising experience even more comfortable. So the main saloon of the Berger 180 Super Yacht has been designed for formal entertaining and dining, with large windows that flood the interior with plenty of natural light and provide unprecedented views. In terms of accommodation, the Berger 180 yacht is able to accommodate up to 10 guests across 4 staterooms. Her full beam master suite is located on the main deck with large windows, while her remaining 4 staterooms are situated on the lower deck and can be converted into 2 family suites. So performance-wise, the Berger 180 yacht is powered by twin Caterpillar 3512C IMO Tier 2 engines, provided with a range of 4,000 nautical miles at 11 knots. And Italian luxury boat builder Sanlorenzo has signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding as it explores an acquisition of Simpson Marine. So Simpson Marine, which is based in Hong Kong, is a major yacht sales and service company that's been operating throughout the Asia Pacific for the past 4 decades. With a network of 12 showrooms and 10 service centres, it represents a raft of brands in the region, including Sanlorenzo, Blue Game, Fairline Yachts and Beneteau. The news of the tentative agreement comes weeks after Sanlorenzo discussed the acquisition during a business presentation held in March. Hope everyone's got an awesome weekend planned, and I'll catch up with you next week.